ginger garlic paste, black pepper, dhania powder, 2 spoons. And then this curd, now blend all this. Now into this now will go now what I'll do, once see properly. Into this, see I kept like this, openings with knife. Now try to send this masala. This is half kg what I am showing you. So according to that I am taking ingredients. You take more or less, according to that you have to adjust them. This masala should totally go into this. Now into this we'll do, this is a quick recipe, so everything will go into this now itself. Now what we do, only corn flour, 1 2 3 4 5 spoons only I am taking now, rest we will use afterwards. Now again do the same thing, just add salt required. Now try to mix it well. Everything should go into this. Now see, still the texture is loose. Now what we have to do, we have to make it tight by using this corn flour. Okay. See. See this, the remaining masala, see, this came out. Now that means some more corn flour is necessary. Have to make it tight. So remaining flour also I am using now. That means totally 9 spoons we have used till now. Now see, it became tight. This texture we want. Now oil is getting heat. Meanwhile, I'll finish this process and we'll go for heating them. See? This loose texture now will be reduced by adding remaining ingredients. See what I'll do now. We use this powdered corn flour, that means like this, little grainy, and hand crushed corn flakes. This is powdered corn flakes, powdered, see, little grainy powdered corn flakes in mixie, and but this is hand crushed. Both will use. Okay. What is the next procedure? See. grainy texture we'll add. That means what we done in the mixie, little grainy, that cornflakes grainy powder we'll use first. See, now it became complete type. Now try to put in this gaps on the chicken. See, now only you can see the look.
Now it's not loose, right?
Yes.
When we added some maida and crushed
Maida not, only corn flour and now grainily mixtured corn flakes powder. Okay. Now see. Why I am doing in this dough bowl means we have to be comfortable while doing this. Now see. Now if see. Now what you will do, take beside once. See. Now this remaining, don't let them come. Everything should be stick to it. If not, we'll make it stick. Now this. Now keep it aside. Now see, this is the remaining one now. Now what I'll do, this hand crushed cornflakes, now I'll add. With this, I made a nice spice blend for seasoning to sprinkle upon this, which last we'll use. Now see, now this grainy texture will come to the egg now. For that what we have to do, I'll show you. Now again take back. This is egg white. Immediately we can take it for fry after doing this. See, let all this, leave this, and immediately now see, transfer this into this heated oil. Now everything I'll do the same procedure. Take it aside. A little white. See, they were less coated, so I took them first. These were perfectly coated now. No need to disturb these. Now the remaining whites, completely taken. Now this is fine, nicely coated before only. So what we'll do, I am not using any of the colors, food colors. Once you check like this, while keeping in the oil. Now this also, see, nicely coated before itself. Now just now everything which is remaining, see, exactly 1 handful of cornflakes I took for hand crushing texture. Now what I am using, so nicely get it touch with this. Completely empty now, isn't it? Keep this also. Here no space, so after this I will fry that. Now take out the oil, and in this empty pan which is already fried, repeat one more time. This is for seasoning, what we are doing now. Now this powder I made with jeera, dhania and pepper, garlic and red chilli and salt. Now I sprinkle this. All the items what I have shown in this video were generally would be in everybody's house. So no need to buy anything separately. All these items were available in each and every house generally. So no need to buy anything. Rather than chicken. Whenever you want to make with all the common household items, you can make this Kids Chaurasta fried chicken. This is also KFC, but in our own way.
KFC
No
means
onion powder, garlic powder, we can't transfer it all the time, and it is not available in all the areas. So you can try this variety also.
so we can mean it like this. KFC means Kids Chaurasta fried chicken.
This is our KFC. Kids Chaurasta fried chicken. Don't strain them much. Even you strain also, they won't leave any of this. Why? Because they were very stably coated. If that was not done, you can't. They won't come like this. They got, see, once keeping like this and sprinkling everything, it got a nice texture and aroma too. Let us serve this. You know how nicely our Kids Chaurasta fried chicken turned out. So you also please try the recipe. If you like, keep the comments. If you dislike also, keep the comments. And if you have any more recipes to be known from our channel, please keep in comments. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you. The tip of the day for this recipe is you can have this as snacks with microgreens. That's why I kept microgreens here. Those who are interested, along with the microgreen salad or microgreens upon them, you can have this. So along with protein you will get all the other nutrients also. Thank you.